Many people with diabetes notice higher blood sugar in the morning. This often happens because early morning hormones tell the liver to release glucose as your body prepares to wake up. The good news is that healthy morning habits can help. First of all, you have to start your day with water. Drink a glass of water soon after waking up. Good hydration supports normal body functions and may help if dehydration is contributing to higher blood sugar. Move your body. Take a brisk walk, do light cycling or simple stretching. Regular physical activity helps your muscles use glucose more effectively. If your blood sugar is very high or you feel unwell, check with these healthcare provider about the safest types of exercise. Third, eat a balanced breakfast. Choose a breakfast rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Examples includes eggs, sprouts, oats, vegetables, nuts, or unsweetened yogurt. Avoid sugary drinks and refined breakfast foods. Fourth, be careful with the caffeine. Some people notice that coffee raises their morning blood sugar while others do not. Monitor your own readings and discuss any concerns with your doctor. Avoid adding excess sugar or sweetened creams. 5. Reveal your daily routine. Morning blood sugar is also affected by what happens the night before. Try to eat dinner earlier. Avoid heavy late night meals. Sleep well. Take diabetes medicines exactly as prepared. Never change insulin or medications doses without medical advice. Morning blood sugar can often be improved with healthy habits. Drink enough water, stay active, eat balanced breakfast, monitor your response to caffeine and follow your diabetes treatment plan. If your fasting blood sugar remains constantly high, consult your healthcare provider. Okay?